Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be tackling that giant mess of a closet right there. This is actually going to be part 1 in my room redecoration series, and I think there's going to be 3 parts, so if you're interested in that, make sure to press the subscribe button down below. This is not going to be just any basic closet reorganization or declutter. This is going to be giant. We're going to get rid of so much and we are going to make it so much more organized. So if that's something you want to see, just keep watching. The first thing I'm going to do is take everything out of my closet so that way that I can really decide which things I want to keep and which things are not worth it. So let's just start grabbing things and throwing them somewhere over here. Okay, that's most of the clothes that I'm going to be able to take out at the moment. You can see that's a big chunk. All of this stuff back here is like more sentimental items. Most of it, some of it's like junk, but like I have like old dance costumes, Halloween costumes, graduation gowns and all that. So not sure what I'm going to be doing with that, but here is this giant pile of clothes. This was all in my closet, which is insane. I feel like everything blew up like 10 times bigger. I don't know how all of that fit into this little space. So let's just see what we think we should keep and some things that we could do without. So I'm just going to go through all the clothes, decide if it's a keep, so I'll put it back in my closet, or if I decide I don't like it, put it in another pile. And I might have to have some maybes because I'm super indecisive and I'm really bad at getting rid of things, as you can tell by this giant mass of clothing I have acquired. I don't think I'm just going to tell you if I'm going to keep every single thing, because this video would be like an hour long. So I'm just going to time lapse me sorting through these things and show you afterward. This is all the clothes I am for sure keeping. This is my pile of I do not want them anymore clothes. It's smaller than I was hoping for, but at least it's not nothing. And this is my maybe pile of clothes. That's got things that are nice and they're cute, but I just don't wear that much, so I'm not sure if it's worth keeping them for. The next type of clothes to look through are sweaters. I don't have that many, so this will be really quick and really easy, so I'm just gonna quickly decide which ones to keep and which ones to get rid of. That went pretty quickly. I'm just getting rid of these 3 sweaters because I have not worn them in so long. And these ones, I mean, what can I say? I just really like sweaters because they're so comfortable. Okay guys, so it is now the next day of me cleaning out my closet, and I'm going to clean out my dressers, and I'll try to do all of it, but it might have to carry into tomorrow, but that's okay. There's just so much in my drawers, and I know some of it doesn't even fit, and I don't wear some of it, so I'm going to go through all my drawers. Okay, so this is the pile of all the t-shirts that were in my drawer, and I need to go through them because some of these I've not worn in like a year. So let's go through and see what to keep. I just went through the clothes and there's like 10 t-shirts or whatever that I don't want to keep, and then I decided to organize my shirts by rainbow, and I think it looks really nice. So now I'm going to move on to my long sleeve t-shirts. Okay, that was really easy because I didn't have very many to start with. I just got rid of a couple, and now my drawer is nice and neat. So I guess we should move on to pants and shorts. So it's been a little while since the last time you saw me, and I have done a lot of different things. So I'm going to go around and show you all the different things that I've done. First of all, I finished everything. If you remember, that was not like that before. And I went through all the clothes in both drawers, and I went through all the clothes and I created a small pile of clothes that I thought that I might be able to sell on Depop. Okay, so I'm here with another closet update. So I have just taken out the sweater and shoe organizer that was right here, and I just hung up all the sweaters. And I also decided to organize my closet by type of clothes. So here are jackets and cardigans. And then I have short sleeves and tank tops, long sleeve, skirts, dresses, winter dresses, and sweaters. And taking out those two organizers made my closet look 10 times bigger, and I'm so happy about that. And I think it just looks so nice and neat now. Okay guys, so this is going to be the last day of our closet transformation. There's only one thing left to do, and it came in the mail today. Say hello to my Target boxes. We're going to open them up and finish the closet. I got my scissors because I don't have a knife to cut them open with. I don't need scissors. I'm strong. Kind of. Oh, look, lots of bubble wrap. We got 2 bins. Let's open the next one up. More bubble wrap. I could fill like a whole pool with this. Just won't stop coming out. Some hangers because I ran out of hangers in the middle of doing this. And a bin. Okay, time for the giant box. This is probably the biggest box I've ever opened. Oh my goodness. More bubble wrap. Oh my god, this is so much. Another pink bin. Some hangers. And 2 clear buckets. And that is all the things from Target. Let's see. My whole floor is taken up, and I think I'm stuck here forever, so yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna start putting the bins where they're supposed to go. So the first thing that has to go is my baby cart. Sorry baby, but you don't get a home anymore. I'm gonna have to put this away. Oh, and look, I found a hanger. Nice. Score. Some Upamodi slippers. My winter boots and a Milan test dispenser. Nice. So these 2 clear ones are going to go right there. Now we have these ones that are going to go up here. Now we just have to fill them up. So in my first bin, I'm going to put some shoes. All the shoes that were hanging there, I guess I'll just start putting them in. I never wear these shoes that are in my closet. I wear them once a year, so that doesn't matter that they're just shoved to the bottom of my closet. Most of them are too small. These were my shoes from my 8th grade dinner dance. And these are my homecoming shoes. When am I ever gonna wear these again? I don't go anywhere fancy, so it doesn't really matter that they're just going in the bottom of the closet. Now I have some slippers. I guess I'll just put those in there too. Here's the first one. And this one I'm going to put my pants. The bin's a little smaller than I was expecting it to be, but I think it will be okay. And I don't have a plan B if this is too small, but I did measure if it was going to be big enough, and when I measured it, it worked out. Oh wow, that couldn't have been more perfect. It fits perfectly. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. So now we have to fill those baskets. In the first bin, I'm going to put my shorts for summertime. Oh, they are not folded the best, but I'll fix that. Okay, so the first one is all jean shorts and a couple skirts. And this one is all the workout shorts and workout tank tops. So then I have 2 baskets up there left. Okay, so I just filled the last basket and I filled it with socks, and I did not know that I could own a overflowing basket full of socks. And I even paired them all up. They used to be just mix matched all over. There was no pairs, you had to go digging for them. So I even folded them all up so they would be so nice, and I think that's why it takes up more space, but that's a lot of socks, so I'm gonna go put this up. Okay guys, so now that the full closet is finished, I thought I should give you a tour. So I guess we'll just start with everything that's hanging up. I have all my coats and my jackets, and then I have all my tops, short sleeves and long sleeves, and a couple of sweaters, some tank tops, skirts, dresses, rompers, some wintry dresses. I have a lot of extra hangers because I ordered a ton, and then all my sweaters and sweatshirts. And then up top, I just have some blankets, and then just some memory stuff, sentimental items. This bag is filled with my swimsuits, and I've got jean shorts, active wear, some underwear, and some socks. And then down here, we have my dresser, which just has all my t-shirts and my long sleeves and my leotards and dance things. And then, I don't know if you can see down there, down here I have pajamas, pants, and shoes. And let me just add in, most everything, all those things that were in the baskets, pants, lots of things that were hanging up, all used to be in this gigantic dresser, and now all of this is empty. So I'm very proud of myself, because I used to be I have way too much clothes, it takes up my whole room. But now I can say that I'm happy with it all being stored in one closet, so that I can get rid of this and give myself more space in my room. So that's the end of my video. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe, because after this video is up, I'm working on redoing the rest of my room. Not completely, but redecorating, I guess is a better word. I'm gonna work on making a redecorating my bedroom video. So if you wanna see that, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And I'll see you in another video. Bye!